How to freeze Snapchat location. To freeze your Snapchat location, we can just go over and follow up this step-by-step tutorial, which is pretty easy. So we have several methods in order to do so. We can follow up this method. So the first thing we can do is we can just go and activate the ghost mode. For that, we can go to the Snapchat map section here. And once we are in this map section, we can look out for the gear icon in the top right corner. Just go over and find it up. Tap on this option in the top. And once we do so, we can just go over and enable the ghost mode option here. We can just head over and find that option, and that should hide our location from friends while keeping it active for us only. This is one of the method available. Or if not this, we can just go over and disable the location permissions. For that, go to our settings of our device. And once we have gone to the settings, find the option for apps and tap on it. And within applications, we can go to the permission section once we find Snapchat here. So you can search for Snapchat directly and tap on it. And once we find Snapchat, we can just go over and look out for the option called location here. So go to permissions and find location option here. Tap on it. And within here, we can just go over and tap on don't allow and then turn off the location for Snapchat. That should also work out for you. If not that, we can access our quick settings panel directly and look out for the option of flight mode here and turn it on, and that will basically disconnect the internet, pausing our location without even updating or notifying our friends. This is also the method possible. You can just go over and do so, and that's it. Usually you can also use a VPN if you want to change the location, but it will still be live unless the ghost mode is on. But if you want to freeze a Snapchat location, these are probably some of the methods available. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.